Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can recover deleted drafts in Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let's get into this topic. Open Instagram on your device, and then at the bottom, go to your profile. Next, at the top, click on these three bars. And here, select your activity. Next, swipe to the very bottom where you'll find Upload your information. Now you'll need to click right here, Download your info. Next, select your Instagram page. Select the first option. Next. And now you get to the very last step. Here you can choose the date in which you would like to download and restore your deleted drafts. So you can from 1 week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, 3 years, and also for the entire time, if you're using Instagram, a very long time. You choose the time period you want, then save. Also here you can choose the quality in which everything will be uploaded and restored. So you can leave the quality that you have, you can decrease it, or you can increase it. And after that, click Create File. This may take some time to download. Once you click Create File after a few seconds, as you can see, you'll be thrown back to the Account Center. To your information upload, where you'll see a file like this. And you'll have to wait a little bit for it to say, Download File or Download File. And when you go to that file, then you'll be able to view and recover all of your deleted drafts. This action, it can take anywhere from a few hours to a day or two. It all depends on how much information you need to recover. Over what period of time? I mean, if it's over a month, it's faster. If it's over 3 years, it's certainly more information and so on. Just from time to time, you will need to go here and see if this window has been updated. Friends, this is how you can recover deleted drafts on your Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.